Hi everyone, my name is Loy Kwagala. I am an image expert and the founder of Loy's Coaching Class. Today I have a wonderful message for you. I have written about the subject of image. In my book, The Absolute Success Image, is where everything that I tell you about from the previous videos is found. And today I would like to unleash that book for you so you get a sneak peek of how it looks like, and I'm going to tell you one of the how-tos of obtaining the absolute success image. In fact, out of the 8 that I wrote in my book, I'm just going to give us 5. I know, that's a great deal. But first of all, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. The world is a place of opportunities, okay? It's a fertile ground for every man's dream and vision. But I have a question for you. Is your image taking you to that place? Are you rooted in the right soil or part of the soil of this world that will make you flourish and shine in your area of expertise, in your profession, in whatever you have chosen to do? Are you packaging yourself for that opportunity? Are you the seed that is being prepared or is readily waited for by the soil that you are in? So, how will you obtain your absolute success image? I have 5 things today that I want to share with you. And here is the first one. Never compromise your image for the outward look. Doesn't matter how expensive your dresses or shirts or trousers or shoes are. Doesn't matter how expensive your jewelry is, your makeup, how beautiful and handsome you look. It does not matter. What matters is the tailoring, the stitching that you make between your outer self and your inner self. Because eventually, you cannot live in denial of the truth of who you are. The truth of who you are is not the Gucci dress or shirt or trouser, whatever shoes you're wearing. The truth of who you are is that lack of punctuality. The truth of who you are is that disrespect. The truth of who you are is that good character. The truth of who you are is that love and peace and joy that you carry within yourself. That is the truth. And having that and focusing on that and not compromising it will so much complement and elevate this outward thing. Even if your watch, your ring, your jewelry, your clothes are not that expensive, I tell you, that inward part, which is absolutely successful in terms of its image, is going to elevate you. You will not sit in that interview room like everybody else. Your company will not bid for that contract like any other, because your vision and mission and goals and objectives will completely speak more volume than the packaging of your product. So don't compromise the inward parts of your life or, as an individual, or the inward parts of your company for how your product looks like or how your body looks like. Treat it from the inside out. The second thing that we can do to obtain our absolutely successful image is to always feed our mind. I have said this over and over again. Feed your mind with the rightful content. Do not watch. Reading and watching your eyes. Don't listen to things that do not benefit you or take you to the next level in your area of profession, your life, your career, especially that place where you think your wealth is going to come from. If you compromise what you listen to and what you watch, your mind is going to be clogged with the irrelevant. You're going to speak the irrelevant. You're going to do the irrelevant. Your journey to your wealth creation is going to be slowed down because you're not feeding your mind rightly. Feed your mind rightly. Read what concerns your area of expertise or whatever is good for your journey towards wealth creation and becoming a better employee or boss, in whatever business you're doing. Even if it's a creative, if you're a handy person, you make bags, you're a tailor, you're an artist, like fine art, there's no way you're going to be looking at, watching movies that are about war and, weird things. You need to look for people that influence your way forward. Who is the best in this? Feed your mind with their systems. Feed your mind with their how-tos. Feed your mind with their journeys. Follow them on all their social media, website, whatever you can find on Google about them. Read that. Enhance your knowledge, your mind. And then your heart definitely and your hands will follow suit. And you will be absolutely unstoppable when it comes to your image and performance. The third thing is you always have to remember that your body and your inward parts are great allies. They will never stop talking. They will never stop meeting. They will never stop discussing about you. They will never stop thinking about you and planning for you. So the earlier you realize that your inward part and your outer part are friends and best friends and they're diehards, till death do them part, the better for you. You will not obtain your absolute success image when your inward part and the outer part are conflicting all the time. You want to look great and get all those beautiful, nice things, but your inward part does not want to even strive a little bit to get them. Anyhow, you want to obtain them. But do something. Contribute to your success. Contribute to your, what can I call it? Your overall success. Sit there one day at the end, at 60, at 70, at 80, and say, oh, wow. During my time working for this company, this is what I gave. Today, I retire in peace. Even if it's your own business, give, 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 give. That's what the inward part is about. The outward part is about take, 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 take. So the earlier you synchronize the two and understand how they communicate, understand the kind of relationship they have, and then say, okay, how can I intervene in this? Otherwise, your journey to obtaining your absolute success image or being the person that you want to be in your area of expertise is going to be slowed down. Your spirit and heart and mind are telling you this. Your body is saying, no, we can't do it. So sit down, make time for yourself. That's why people who meditate are very powerful. They have a great inward part because they take time to analyze who they are. They examine their emotions and actions and thoughts and feelings. Every part of them is synchronized into one thing. So when they set out to do something, boom, they do it with their whole self, inwardly and outwardly. Then the fourth thing that we can do on the journey of obtaining our absolute success image is basically understanding that you cannot be on the mediocrity part. We have to strive for excellence. It doesn't matter how properly set you look. Your clothes are in the right place, jewelry is in the right place, everything is in the right place on face value or outward look value. It's all in the right place. But once you start speaking and you sound like a mediocre, you sound like a loser, you sound hopeless, you sound like there's no place for you in this world, which is full of abundance for everybody, then you're going to be rejected in the marketplace. You're going to be rejected. I mean, nobody wants to associate with mediocres. Who does? Do you? I don't. And that's why I'm here, to help us enhance our images, to help us know that we can strive and be better than we are. So excellence should be our goal. Perfection, too much to ask. Why? Even God knows we can never be perfect. So why would you waste your time and energy working for perfect, or more so looking for it in others? Seek for excellence. Seek for excellence. So be excellent. The energy you put into look right should be the same energy you put into think right. It is just that simple. When you walk or meet somebody and say that word, let it be a word of excellence, not mediocrity. Leave an impact in their mind. They will be thinking about you for the rest of your life. Oh, wow. Even if it was just a hello, let it be intended. Hello, Anne. Hello, John. Hello, Gideon. Are you okay? Once they sense the care, it puts you in another place. Oh, wow. Their how are you is just special because you chased excellence rather than mediocrity. So for us to be able to obtain our absolute success image, like I mentioned in my book, we need to fight and strive for excellence rather than mediocrity. Don't be like, everybody else does this. You're not everybody. You are you. You cannot do what everybody does. It's too much. Do you know what it means to meet everyone's expectations? Do you know what it means to meet everyone's need? Do you know what it means to accept what everybody perceives about you and start to do what they perceive? Do you know how much work that is? You can't even spend your entire lifetime fulfilling people's needs and desires. So how about you pursue yours? And then, Whoever jumps along and believes what you believe in, very good, because that's who you need for your journey. Don't compromise. Do not sit and talk to losers about your goals and visions. Find a person who has excelled in it. Find somebody who has been there, done it, worn the t-shirt to influence where you're going. And that's how you will be able to obtain an excellent, absolute success image. Number 5, I have a formula that you can live by every day. Every day. And this sums up everything that I have talked about. And if you never get an opportunity to read my book, which I don't think can happen, or, what happens if I ever leave this earth, I want everybody to just remember one thing. You can obtain your absolute success image by, this is the formula, you need to think great, okay? You need to look great in that order. And then the thinking great and looking great will make you feel great. And once you have those 3, you have obtained your absolute success image. Because you're going to say great stuff, you're going to do good stuff, you're going to relate with great people, you're going to have excellence as a part of you. You will never be afraid to be judged by the cover because you're full of greatness. So thinking great and looking great gives you feeling great, which is the absolute success image. My book is not yet out, but I just wanted to know that it's being cooked up. You can see the picture, 3D and all that. It looks really nice, but the content in there is even the best thing that can ever happen to us. I'll be giving us a sneak peek here and there every time, and when it's ready on Amazon or everywhere else, I'll let you know. But the most important thing is for you to take these 5 DIYs that I've given you in order for you to obtain your absolute success image. And today I just want to say, if we forget everything else, there is nothing you're going to do. It doesn't matter whether you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're a teacher, you're a business woman or man, you're a company owner, you are an organization. It does not matter what profession you're in. Image is universal. We all need to have it absolutely successful and to be excellent at it. So with that, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. And yes, I'm very excited to introduce my book to you. And that's what makes me an expert, because I have written about the subject. If you want to be an expert, let me know, because the journey is like, really nice. And you will never weigh the same in the marketplace once you choose to elevate yourself to the expert industry. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. But also you can find me on Lois Coaching Class, that is Facebook. So just, Google or search in Facebook and you'll find me. I'm on Twitter, Loy Kwagala. I'm on LinkedIn, Loy Kwagala. I'm on Instagram, Loy Kwagala. And we can be there. You remember, the day you choose to like, the day you choose to send me that message, the day you choose to subscribe is the day our relationship begins. PM me those questions and I will gladly be of help to you. It does not matter what. But when you feel like your image is fainting, you're lost, you do not know who you are, I can't figure it out, people say this, but I think this way about myself, don't forget to reach out to me. I will help you. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers. Till next week. Bye.